Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up bundle shipping on Whatnot. Before we start, here are a few quick things to keep in mind. You can only bundle orders from the same buyer, and they must be either from a show or the marketplace, not both together. Also, bundling must be done before you generate a shipping label. Now let's get into the steps. First, go to whatnot.com and open your seller hub. From there, navigate to the shipments page. Next, apply the filter and select Needs label so you can see all the orders that are ready to be shipped. Now choose two or more shipments from the same buyer. This is important. If they're from different buyers, bundling won't work. Once selected, click on Bundle Selected Shipments. You'll then see a preview of the bundled order, including combined items and updated shipping details. Carefully review everything to make sure it's correct. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the bundle. And that's it. Your items are now combined into one shipment, making it easier to manage and more cost effective. That's how you easily set up bundle shipping on Whatnot.